So I'm having a bit of a hard time. Yesterday I made a mother mold with some plaster gauze, this stuff. And today, after 24 hours, it has not set and it's delaminating. And it has no structural integrity whatsoever. It's like soft and it still feels kind of wet. And I've had to cut it off my silicon jacket mold. And I'm really pissed, and I don't really know why it's done that. And I've never actually used this before, but I was under the impression that this stuff dried just like normal plaster, and I don't know if I've just got like a shitty brand or if I've done something wrong, but this is a joke. So my helmet cast is ruined. But yeah, I mean, look, what I've learned currently is that I actually can't get my face shield out of this mold. So I'm probably going to have to just leave it in there and remake the mother mold. And I think I'm not going to stuff around with this plaster crap. I'm going to just go with fiberglass, because at least I know that cures and you don't have this kind of, problem with it not laminating. But I'm really, really mad. Like, this is just a nightmare. I don't know if anyone else has had this kind of problem. If you have, can you comment and just let me know some of your tips and tricks? Because plaster bandage, I was pretty much under the assumption it was fail safe, but obviously not. So yeah, pretty disappointed. I just can't believe that it hasn't even stuck to itself. It was all still, it was kind of drying as I was laying it on top, but it's not like it was completely cured. So I don't get why this hasn't bonded to itself properly. It's very, very weird. Anyway, back to the drawing board.